have a look at how it looks. And as I normally say, I just use the coriander to garnish my food. I don't cook it. I add it to the last part of meal prep. Let's have a look at that. Hello guys, how are you doing? I trust you are okay. So if you are new here, I go by the name Mary Duku, and for returning subscribers, I'm so grateful for your love. Welcome so much to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to prepare a very quick meal which is easy to prepare. It doesn't consume much of your time. That is wet fried fish or fish stew. And here are our ingredients: 3 fried tilapia fish, 1 cup of milk, 3 blended tomatoes, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic and ginger, diced onions, coriander, and cooking oil. I'm going to start by frying my onions first until they are golden brown in color. Then I go ahead and add the other ingredients. Next, I'm adding my crushed ginger and garlic. And I love ginger and garlic because of the good aroma and flavor, and it is so delicious as well. So this is 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic, and I'll just cook it until it is golden brown. Any spices to add, you can add them at this point. And for me, I will not add any spices because I've got kids taking this meal and I don't want the spices to affect them. So now, since I don't have any spices, I'll go ahead and add the other ingredient, which is blended tomato. Fry it well to mix with the onion. Next, I'm adding some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I let it simmer for only 3 minutes. Then I go ahead and add the next ingredient. So if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be the one to get notified whenever I happen to upload a video. Share this video widely, watch my videos, and share your comments also down below. 3 minutes down the line, and the next thing I'm going to add here now is our meal. Now if you don't have milk, you can do coconut milk. You can add coconut milk, and also milk is optional. But I chose to add it because it will add nutrients to our stew. It will add flavor and make our stew to be rich. Remember, this is totally optional. It's not a must to add the milk. But if you have it, you can add it to your stew. It will make everything here look good and add nutrients to your stew, and the stew will be so big and rich as well. So I will let this simmer for like 3 minutes, another 3 minutes, and now add the next ingredient. How my stew looks so nice. It looks so delicious and yummy and so creamy. to the next step now, and now it's the time to immerse the fish to the stew. And I'll just go ahead and lower the heat so that it will not burn our fish. Just have a look at how my fish is looking so delicious, yummy. The stew is looking so creamy. Oh my. This is the best recipe I've ever tried for fish. It is the best actually. It doesn't consume much of your time, easy to make, easy to prepare. And it's everything to me actually. And I'll urge you, my viewers, to prepare fish stew using my recipe. You will not go wrong with it. On to the last ingredient now, and I'm going to add my coriander. Just have a look at how it looks. And as I normally say, I just use the coriander to garnish my food. I don't cook it. I add it to the last part of meal prep. Just have a look at that. Have a look at this. Yumminess, delicious, creaminess. Oh my, oh my, oh wow. The best out of the best. And now, just like that, our fish stew is ready. The next thing I'm going to serve.